going to go ahead and use this jack with the vehicle raised and supported on jack stands. You want to support the axle. We're going to go ahead and use an 18mm socket and remove this bolt here and nut, and this bolt and nut as well. And then remove the control arm. Making sure that the bend is towards the front. I'm going to go ahead and line this up and install the bolt. Go ahead and push that through. Line this up and push that bolt through. Start the nuts by hand. I like to thread them on as far as I can. Snug these down. Now, when torquing suspension components, you want to try and have the vehicle loaded under its own weight. So you want to snug these up, take it down, put it on the tires, and then do your final torque specs. This being torqued at 117. I'm going to go ahead and torque this bolt down to 129 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower the support jack from the axle and remove this.